Welcome to the art of crafting your dream wooden tool chest. Let's explore classic and Dutch-inspired designs for organizing your precious tools. Wooden tool chests are a woodworker's companion. We'll examine classic, Dutch, and cabinet maker's styles, each with its own charm and functionality. Before building, let's plan. Assess your needs in space, using foam core to design an efficient layout for tool organization. Selecting the right materials is crucial. We'll explore wood options and traditional joinery techniques for durability and beauty. Let's build a classic tool chest. I'll guide you through each step, sharing time-tested techniques for a sturdy, functional piece. For versatility lovers, we'll create a Dutch-style chest. Learn to repurpose materials and master angled construction for a unique piece. Secret compartments and fall front designs add intrigue and functionality. I'll show you how to incorporate these features seamlessly. Custom drawers and hanging storage are key to organization. We'll craft these to fit your specific tool collection perfectly. Finishing touches make all the difference. We'll cover hardware selection, paint options, and protective coatings to preserve your masterpiece. I'll share my top tips for maximizing storage and accessibility, ensuring your tool chest serves you well for years to come. Remember, building a wooden tool chest is a journey in craftsmanship. Embrace the process and create a chest that's uniquely yours. You're now ready to craft your dream wooden tool chest. Let your creativity and craftsmanship shine in this rewarding project. Ready to start? Click the link in the description for detailed plans and a materials list. Happy building!